The way I see it, a box of face masks costs around $39 and cleaning products can cost around $26 now. So I wonder if the elderly can afford them. They may not even be able to afford a meal, let alone buying protective equipment. It's useless for one person to battle against the virus. In the battle against the virus, a lot of people have neglected others, including the elderly. It's meaningless if we only use the protective items for ourselves.
I'm happy because the store helped us a lot. The government can't help us with anything. If there are more shops doing this, it can at least help the public. Because even the people who have money can't find or buy the supplies now.